This Christmas, give your family the gift of fun and relaxation here at Take a Break Spas and Billiards. Whether it's a hot tub, swim spa, sauna, or pool table, we're making it even more special with Christmas presents included with every purchase. Here's what's under the tree. You have an opportunity to get a free outdoor fire pit, a free Roccbox pizza oven. You have the chance to win Water Valet Services. It's a premium service where we come and take care of the water for you. And for those of you who get a pool table, you have the option to get upgrades to your table, like a free cloth upgrade or a player kit upgrade. Looking for the best deal? Our Christmas clearance has pool tables, hot tubs, and swim spas marked off by thousands of dollars. Don't wait, our inventory is moving fast, and these deals are only available while supplies last. Make this Christmas unforgettable with gifts the whole family will love. Come and see why it's time for you to take a break during our Christmas sale.